Hello.
Hi.
How are you? How are you?
Good. Do you speak English? Good. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American? A little. Are you American?
Yes, I am American. Yes, I am American.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in New York. I live in New York.
How long have you been here? How long have you been here?
I have been here for 2 months. I have been here for 2 months.
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
I am a police officer. What about you? I am a police officer. What about you?
I am a student. I am a student. Where are you going? Where are you going?
I am going to the airport right now. I am going to the airport right now.
Are you traveling? Are you traveling?
Yes, I am traveling now. Yes, I am traveling now.
Where are you traveling? Where are you traveling?
I am traveling to Canada. I am traveling to Canada.